how to fix GTA 5 uh, loading story mode problem isn't quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just go to settings and go to settings, and once you're here, go to privacy, scroll down, make sure to enable this option, background apps. Make sure to disable it. Then go to gaming. After that, turn off Xbox game bar, go to game mode, turn it on. Now just right click on your GTA 5 icon, go to properties, and now go to compatibility and go to change settings for all users, enable those two options and click OK. And that's it. Now just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.